How to slow down Instagram boomerang. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's make a quick boomerang. So if I make a boomerang, it will be a little faster. So if I want to slow down my boomerang, so I have to simply click on that boomerang icon on the top left, and this will open a new window where we have several options. So we have to choose the second one, which is saying slow motion, and it will take about 5 seconds to process the slow motion of that boomerang. And there you go. So that's how basically you can slow down boomerang in Instagram. If this video helps you out, make sure to subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.